Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover your Telegram account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So let's talk about 4 forgotten passwords first. So enter your phone number in the app, get the SMS code. When prompted for your password, select forgot password, enter the recovery email link to your account, and then Telegram sends a reset link. Follow the link in the email to set a new password. If you have your account hacked or locked, then visit Telegram support, describe your issue like account hacked, lost access, include your phone number, email, and device info. Telegram support will contact you to verify your identity and help restore. However, if you lost your SIM or phone number, then you can simply get a SIM swap from your mobile provider. Just contact your carrier. Once you have the new SIM, log into Telegram as usual. The code will go to your new SIM. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.